Want CapCut Pro but don't want to spend money? I've got you covered. I'll show you how to get it free. If you find this useful, subscribe, like, and share.
So here's my video. So let me quickly play it so you see.
From sleek landing pages to full business sites, you can grab the design, structure, and content in minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build any website step by step using free tools.
So if I try to export this video, I'll get you are using the following pro features. So I'll be showing you how to export this video without getting this one. First of all, click on back to edit. The first thing you want to do is you want to create a compact clip. So select everything here, right click on it. So click on create compact clip. So I'll click on this merge video. Ensure you are in this video tab here, okay? So you scroll the way to the bottom, then you come to this motion blur. As you can see, you check this motion blur, you decrease it from 100% to 0%. Just wait for it to finish processing. I've successfully applied this motion blur to this video. So you minimize your CapCut, then you go to your CapCut shortcut here. So here is mine. So right click on this shortcut, and I'll go to open file location here. So you come to this CapCut here. Let me check the file location. So you can see it's under your administrator app data local/CapCut. So you come to this user data. You enter this cache folder here. Then you scroll the way down. Go to motion blur cache. You can see here's the video where I applied those pro features. So drag this video into CapCut back. Delete this former one, then you drag this video to this position. So now I will export the video. So you see, click on export here. So you can see you have successfully added pro features to export the video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Evolution and Grow, and I'll see you in the next one.